How to make a request. Making a request effectively is a valuable skill in both personal and professional settings. It involves clearly expressing your needs or desires while being polite and respectful. Here are some tips and examples to help you make effective requests. Be clear and specific. Clearly state what you need. Avoid vague language. Example: could you please send me the financial report for the last quarter by end of the day? Be polite and respectful. Use polite language. Show respect for the other person's time and effort. Example: I understand you are busy, but could you help me with this project? Provide context. Explain why you need the request fulfilled. Providing context helps the other person understand the importance. Example: we need the report for a meeting with the clients tomorrow morning, could you send it over today? Use positive language. Frame your request positively. Avoid negative or demanding language. Example: it would be very helpful if you could review this document. Be concise. Keep your request short and to the point. Avoid unnecessary details. Example: can you review this document by tomorrow? Express gratitude. Show appreciation for the other person's help. Thank them in advance. Example: thank you for considering my request. Email request for information. Dear ABC, I hope this message finds you well. Could you please provide me with the latest sales figures for the current quarter? This information is essential for our upcoming strategy meeting. Thank you very much. Best regards, ABC. Face-to-face request for assistance. Hi name, I need some help with the presentation for our next meeting. Could you spare an hour this afternoon to go over it with me? I really appreciate your assistance. Phone request for support. Hello name, I'm working on a project and could use your expertise on a particular issue. Could we schedule a time this week to discuss it? Thanks a lot. Formal written request. Dear title and name, I am writing to request your support in reviewing the draft proposal for our new project. Your feedback would be invaluable and I would greatly appreciate it if you could provide your comments by the end of the week. Thank you in advance for your assistance. Sincerely, ABC. Casual request among friends. Hey, name, I'm planning a small get-together this weekend and could use some help with the preparations. Would you mind coming over a bit earlier to give me a hand? Thanks. Dear John the First, hope you're having a great day. Could you please send me the latest budget report? Hi Sarah, I need the updated project timeline. Could you forward it to me? Dear Mr. Smith, I would appreciate it if you could provide the sales data for July. Hello Jane, could you please share the minutes from last week's meeting? Dear team, could someone send me the client contact list by end of day? Hi Alex, I'm working on the quarterly review. Could you send me the financial summary? Dear Dr. Brown, I need the latest research articles on this topic. Could you help? Hello Mark, could you provide the login details for the new software? Hi Emma, I need the expense reports for the last month. Could you send them? Dear Professor Green the First would like the syllabus for next semester's course. Could you send it? Hi Maria, could you please send me the revised contract? Dear Ms. Johnson, can you share the annual performance review templates? Hello David, I need the inventory report for the last quarter. Could you send it? Hi Olivia, can you provide the attendee list for the conference? Dear Mr. Lee, could you please forward me the latest marketing plan? Hi Rachel, I need the vendor contact details. Could you send them? Dear Dr. White, can you share the experimental results from the last trial? Hello Chris, could you send me the new employee handbook? Hi, Tom, I need some help with this report. Can you assist me for a bit? Hello Alice, could you help me set up the conference room? Hey, John the First needs some advice on this project. Can we talk for a few minutes? Hi, Lisa, can you assist me with these calculations? Hello Mike, I need help organizing the files. Can you lend a hand? Hey, Sarah, can you help me prepare for the presentation? Hi, Jack, I could use your expertise on this issue. Can you help me? Hello Emma, can you review this document with me? Hey, Alex, I need help with the setup. Can you assist? Hi, Olivia, I need your help with this spreadsheet. Can you assist? Hello Brian, can you help me finalize this report? Hey, Maria, I need help planning the event. Can you assist? Hi, Kevin, can you help me with this project timeline? Hello Rachel, I need assistance with the data entry. Can you help? Hey, Matt, can you help me brainstorm ideas for this campaign? Hello Jane, can you help me with this technical issue I'm facing? Hi Tom, I need your advice on this project, can we discuss it? Hello Sarah, can you assist me with the client meeting preparations? Hi, Alex, I need help with this software, can you guide me? Hello Lisa, can you support me with the research work? Hi Mike, I need your expertise on this matter, can we talk? Hello Emma, can you assist me with the event planning? Hi John, the first need help with the financial analysis, can you help? Hello Olivia, can you support me with the report writing? Hi, Chris, I need your assistance with the database update, can you help? Hello Maria, can you guide me through the new system setup? Hi Kevin, I need your support with the presentation preparation, can we? Hello Rachel, can you help me with the marketing strategy? Hi David, I need your advice on the project timeline, can we talk? Hello Brian, can you assist me with the budget review? Dear Dr. Smith, I am writing to request your review of the attached manuscript. Dear Ms. Johnson, I am requesting your assistance with the grant application. Dear Mr. Lee, I would appreciate your support in evaluating the new project proposal. Dear Professor Brown, I am seeking your feedback on the research plan. Dear Mr. Adams, I am writing to request your input on the strategic plan. Dear Ms. Green, the first am seeking your assistance with the policy review. Dear Dr. White, I am writing to request your expertise on the clinical study design. Dear Mr. Garcia, I am requesting your evaluation of the marketing strategy. Dear Ms. Patel, I am seeking your input on the financial projections. Dear Professor Martinez, I am writing to request your review of the thesis draft. Dear Mr. Wang, I am seeking your assistance with the IT infrastructure plan. Dear Ms. Kim, I am writing to request your feedback on the training program. Dear Dr. Nguyen, I am seeking your expertise on the new research methodology. Dear Mr. Hernandez, I am writing to request your support in the contract negotiation. Dear Ms. Robinson, the first am seeking your assistance with the community outreach plan. Dear Dr. Thompson, I am writing to request your review of the clinical trial results. Dear Mr. Clark, I am seeking your input on the product development strategy. Dear Ms. Lewis, I am writing to request your feedback on the employee engagement survey. Hey, John, could you help me move some furniture this weekend? Hi Sarah, I need a hand with my garden, can you help? Hey, Mike, can you come over and help me set up my new TV? Hi, Laura, could you help me bake a cake for the party? Hey, Mark, can you help me fix my bike? Hi Emma, I need some advice on decorating my living room, can you come over? Hey, Chris, could you help me paint my apartment? Hi Olivia, can you help me plan a surprise party? Hey, David, could you assist me with assembling my new furniture? Hi, Rachel, I need help organizing my closet, can you help? Hey, Alex, can you help me set up for the barbecue? Hi Anna, could you help me with my homework? Hey, Brian, can you come over and help me with some DIY projects? Hi Lisa, I need help picking out an outfit for the event, can you come over? Hey, Sam, can you help me with my resume? Hi, Jennifer, I need a ride to the airport, can you take me? Hey, Kevin, can you help me install a new software on my computer? Hi Nancy, could you assist me with my photography project? Don't forget to subscribe to Ongbo YouTube channel.